Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use emojis on Monopoly Go. So if you open your Monopoly Go app and then if you go to three lines right there at the top right hand corner of your screen, then go to my showroom, and basically here you'll find all the items. For example, here we have tokens, we have the shields, and also the emojis section. So I have here one emoji. So basically here, if you want to use this emoji right here, let's see the eye icon right there at the top left, and here saying collect emojis from events, and then you're going to send emojis to friends and then show friends how you feel. So basically this is the latest feature on Monopoly Go. So you just need to collect more emojis while you are playing events on Monopoly Go. You can try to go some different events right here. So currently we have here this twinkle tree, where if you are landed on these boards you can get some rewards, and also you can get a different emojis. And also we have here another event, which is Jingle Jam. So basically if you collect this icon right from here, you'll get some rewards. You can get 1200 dice rolls, and you can receive a gift which has a secret gift. And also here we have Board Rush, where in this event you can play and earn 30 dice rolls and 831,000 Monopoly Go money. And also we have the daily task and daily treats, where if you are playing regularly, then you will receive more emojis. So right now I have one emoji right from here, so you can collect more and get more emojis while you are playing Monopoly Go. Now if you're trying to use this Monopoly Go emojis, basically you just need to play on board. So for example, if you are landed on a bank heist and basically play this mini game right here, for example, just want to play this a bit and I want to have a reward. So for example, right from here, and then it will show you here at the bottom, you stole from Chris G and won this money. So basically here on the profile picture, you'll find a emoji icon. So if you're going to tap on one of the emoji right from here, and then they will receive your reaction or emojis on Monopoly Go. Also, if you are landed on a shutdown event, here basically if you're trying to shut down some landmarks, again it will show you this one. You were blocked by Kit, and then you have your profile picture with an emoji icon. So basically select an emoji and send it to your friends. So yeah, that's how you basically use these emojis on Monopoly Go. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.